Hey guys, welcome back. So hair and makeup today just wasn't gonna happen. So here we are, but I went to my P.O. box and I got a bunch of packages and I just felt like I should film a little unboxing haul because I haven't done one of those in a long time and it's so fun to open packages, especially when you don't know what's inside. So let's get started. Oh, and if you didn't know, yes, I have a P.O. box. Here's the address if you ever want to send me anything. It's also in the description box of every one of my videos. I'm gonna use the knife that I used to cut my graham cracker cookies that I made. They're not even graham cracker cookies. Okay, my hair is making me really mad. Let's see, do I look like a 2-year-old baby? Kinda. No, I'm actually not into that. Should I just let my hair flow? My hair is just not happening today. Okay, so I don't really care. Let's just get into it. First thing is from Endless Paws. It's a shirt. There was no like note in there or anything. Catter Days. This is a great shirt for me. Thank you so much, Endless Paws. We have another box from Endless Paws and this one is like empty. I look like a homeless person right now. I don't even know anymore. I'm just crazy. Better be a matching shirt for Finn. It's a hat. Wow. Endless Paws. I have no idea what Endless Paws is, but now I'm stylish. Catter Day. Okay, next package is from Tarte and it's kind of heavy, so yes. Yes. Ooh, it sounds like glass. Come on, baby. Open for mama. Is butter a carb? We have Butter Me Up. Okay, I think these are lipsticks. I'm guessing they're in like some kind of a cup. Oh my gosh, I could have guessed this too. This is so cute. It's in a little butter thing. Butter dish. Wow. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. They're so cute. Let's put one on. Let's do pink tutu. Ooh, let's do this bright orange one. That's not bright orange. And now I am ready for the video. Thank you so much, Tarte. That was very cute. Also, from this brand, I already opened this because I just really couldn't wait. I thought it was a bikini. Turns out it's something better, honestly. From this brand, Get Back. By the way, if you're wondering why I like so desperately wanted a bikini, it's because I'm going to Fiji in August and I'm so excited. Anyway, this brand I actually am familiar with and I'm so excited about this. So do you guys know this necklace that I wear all the time? Well, this brand noticed that I wear it a lot and they sent me a bunch of these bracelets with the same kind of thing on them. They sent me a necklace too and they sent me a bunch of rings. This is the exact like face that I have on my necklace. If you're wondering, I got mine from Hawaii, but I know it's like a surf necklace that surfers wear so that they can be protected, I think. I think it's a Catholic thing, but I thought it was really cute. This is too small for me. Yeah, it says Saint Christopher protect us. Ooh. So thank you so much, Get Back. Ooh, it's NARS. This is legit. Legit? It's like a laminated book thing. Liquid Assets. Well, that's interesting. I look so good right now. So there's this bag. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, it smells like cat litter. My face. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas. There's a bunch of these liquid lipsticks, I think. What are they called? Lip pigments. Should I put one on? Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's bright. Okay, there's more. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I got a bunch of these full vinyl lip. Do you guys see that? Whoa, cool. Well, it's like gold and pink. Oh, it's on my finger. Thank you, NARS. We have more Tarte. Something about Tarte is that they send a package probably like, honestly, like twice a month or sometimes more. Like they are the queen of PR packages. We've adapted to the Shape Tape Nation family. Vegan. Shape Tape setting powder. Flashback to when you didn't have to worry about flashback. Ooh, oh cool. This is a really cool brush. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at that. Oh, how cute. I went to Hawaii with Tarte like in February and this is a picture that we like sent them for the trip and they put it in a cute little Polaroid thing. That's me and my mom when I was like 9. So here is the powder. Ooh, it flips up. Oh, cute. And there's a little Cute. I love it. I'm so excited to use this. Next, I don't know where this is from. Okay, we have Florane, Escape to Paradise. Oh, cool. This is a nourishing shampoo. There's a nourishing shampoo for sun-exposed hair. That's cool. I've never even thought about that. Rich restorative conditioner for sun-exposed hair. Sun Radiance protective oil. This inspires me to just be a beach girl. A beach babe. A beachy babe. I feel like a surfer right now, so does that go. Next. Oh, it says here there's 2 pairs of underwear. It says underwear, and it says bath bomb and chocolate. So we have a Lush bath bomb. Ooh, yay, how cute. Hi Summer, we're huge fans of yours and wanted to send you our oh no proof underwear. It's your backup protection against period leaks during that time of the month. We hope you enjoy our sweet little treat. That's cool. Oh my God. Look at these stickers. Ovary Squad, Shark Week can bite me. Ooh. Super thin, smooth, seamless construction because diapers are for babies. Moisture absorbing? What? Oh no, proof underwear for teens. So these are like diapers for teens? I'm very excited. Whoa. Oh, these feel so comfy. It's so thick right there. It's like a pad. What? Wow, thank you so much, NYX team. That's so cool. This one is from Dermalogica. I have this cute little bag with breakout clearing booster, blackhead clearing fizz mask. Sounds interesting. Thank you so much, Dermalogica. Sadly, we are down to the last box, and this one is from awakebeauty.com. Finn loves when I opens. Finn's love. Finn loves when I open PR packages because he loves the boxes and it's just so cute. Okay, introducing Tarte's sister brand, Awake. Ooh, beauty sleep in a bottle.
All around me are familiar faces.
What? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look how cute it is. I love these colors personally. Wow, there's a lot of different things. So this is all, I guess, supposed to make you look more awake. Obviously, awake. Radiance moisturizer, some bright lipsticks. This is a hydrating mask. This is called an eye opener. I actually used to do this in middle school when I was obsessed with beauty gurus, and they would always say to put a nude shade on your waterline because it made you look more awake. Tightening concentrate and dream dewdrop. This is so exciting. I can't wait to use all of this stuff. Thank you so much, Tarte and Awake. So that was everything. Finn hates me. He just wants to go in the boxes. Thank you so much to all of the brands that sent me something. If you guys ever want to send me anything, feel free. If you watched all the way to this point, I want you to comment puffy, because this is like a puff ball. If you like this video, you're probably gonna like my other videos too, so definitely subscribe. Of course, shout out to the McBabe of the week. Thank you so much for your post. I love you guys so much. I think that's it for today, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I look like an idiot, but I don't really care.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall